Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do a pop makeup look. So, all you will need is bright colors, foundation, brushes, a beauty blender if you have one. If not, you can use a brush. And concealer, which you don't really need this, but so first, just gonna put the concealer under my eyes and blend it. Okay, next you want to take your foundation, put it on your beauty blender, and just blend that in. Okay, I'm almost done blending. Okay, so that is all you need for that. So now I'm going to do, so first you want to take a light color. I'm going to take this color right here and just put it all over my eyes. Okay, after that, let's see, I'm going to take this brush, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that color and put it in the crease of my eye. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. Okay, next I'm just going to take a brush and kind of blend the color into my eye. And then next what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this brush and dip it into this color right here and put it in the center or on my eyelid. And you want to do the same thing with the other side. Okay, that looks pretty good. If you want, you can touch, after you put the blue on, you can touch the pink up a little. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. Okay, next, let's see, what do I want to do? Oh yeah, next I'm going to take this brush and dip it into this color. put it in the inner corner of my eye. Okay, and last but not least, you want to take the same brush and dip it in. I'm gonna dip it into this color. Looks like a brown, but it's actually like that color. And you're just gonna put that under your eyes. Just barely though. And yeah, I'm not gonna do like blush and stuff. I was just showing you guys how to do a pop eye look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!